Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. If you want to cancel your Shopify subscription and want to deactivate your Shopify account for any reasons, then you are at the right place, because in this video I will tell you how you can cancel your Shopify subscription and stop paying to Shopify to deactivate your website and Shopify account. Remember that this will not delete your account, so anytime if you want to relaunch your store, you just need to select the plan again and start paying to Shopify to start using your store. So let's start the video. So first of all, you can come to the Shopify admin panel. As you can see the admin dashboard on my screen, so here you need to click on the settings option. So open the Shopify settings, and once you open that, you will see the settings screen, and here you need to select the plan option. So once you select the plan option, you will see the plan that you are using and your credit card details, and here you need to click on the deactivate store button. So you can click on that, and once you click that, you will see a pop-up like this, where you need to select the reason why you want to deactivate and cancel the Shopify store. So here you can open the drop down, and after opening the drop down you will see several options, so you can select any reason. So let's select the other reason, so select it, and after that you need to enter the Shopify password and click on the deactivate button. Remember that when you will deactivate your Shopify store, you will no longer have access to the Shopify admin, including your sales data reports and products and the customer information, but Shopify will keep all of this information and retain this information, so you can start your store with ease anytime. So you can log into your Shopify account, and from the basic panel you can just select the plan and start using your Shopify store. So thank you for watching this video. Like this video and leave a comment if you have any question, and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.